Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got an exceptional 1968 Camaro RSSS big block right here. This thing is nut and bolt, body off frame, restored and dialed in. We sold this 3 years ago to a real good customer of ours. It was already completely restored and beautiful, and he made it even better. So it's really turnkey, ready to drive, ready to go show. Has a correct L78 375 horsepower motor under the hood. It's got a Posi, Houndstooth Deluxe interior. Lots of good stuff. I'm going to tell you all about it. Or you can go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read the specs, study all the pictures, and you will find a price tag on every one of our collector cars for sale at volocars.com, including monthly finance option as well. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, it's beautiful under this car. The metal is so nice. They painted it gloss black. And every component was taken apart, replaced, restored. So all the steering and suspension front to back is new. New dual exhaust system with the crossover pipe, and it has the correct, they call it a transverse muffler. It goes sideways and it looks like it's stainless steel. The brake system's been all replaced. It is disc in front, drum in back, e-brake is hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. It does have a new high torque starter put on it. Turbo 400 automatic is just serviced. He put new filter, new pan. Of course, new gasket, new modulator. Drive shaft is rebuilt. Has a 12-bolt rear end in the back, 336 Posi. A fuel system was replaced, the tank, the sending unit, the lines. Everything under the car was redone 3 years ago, and then he's even made it better. So under the car is really impressive. The body's outstanding too. The fit and finish is excellent. All blue, no vinyl top. It's a gorgeous car. The roof is straight. I mean straight. I'm looking at the reflection of our lights, and they're straight. There's not even a wave in them. So all of this is mint. You got the SS hood with the ice cube trays. This is all mint, painted on stripe, smooth. You can barely even feel it. The metal flake is laid out evenly, has a nice polished glossy finish. I don't see any issue with the body or paint so far. The stripe is done properly. So many people mess that up. And this is just gorgeous. Correct antenna looks new. Emblems look new. All the way down to the bottom. It's just as glossy at the bottom as it is up on top. The same mirror finish all the way down. Door fits beautifully, no issues. I mean, this is really nice. No cracks. This is absolutely pristine looking. I haven't found anything yet. Got spoilers. Yeah, I feel like I should find something so you don't think I'm lying to you. There is one little nick on the edge of the door right here. But yeah, this just fits beautifully. No damage, no rust, no pimples, no bubbles. No signs of anything that I had found. Gorgeous color. Again, the stripes painted on real nicely. So it is a rally sport, and mostly what that means is the hideaway lights. He spent $2,500. He just had them converted from the original vacuum to electric. So you open them headlights and boom, they zing open. We'll demonstrate that towards the end of the video. Rally Sport also has some extra trim, like right here, and all of the trim has been replaced. The stainless, the mirrors, the handles, the emblems, the bumpers, the marker lights, all of it was replaced when they restored the car. The windshield and back window were replaced. The side glass is crystal clear, and look how nice it fits. I rolled the windows down, and then I actually rolled them back up so I can show you how nice they fit. The door closes like a new car. The rally wheels, the trim is just sparkling. BF Goodrich tires still look brand new. So the outside of this car is extremely nice. Tail lights, gas cap all been replaced. One more thing that comes with the Rally Sport package, the reverse lights are down here. If it's not a Rally Sport, the reverse lights are built into the tail light. So there you have it. Pristine exterior. Let's see if the interior is just as good. Trunk compartment looks practically new as well. Look at this paint. It's slick as the outside. New stickers, new wire and clips running up to the trunk light. You did take the bulb out like most people do just so it doesn't stay on for any reason. Even the little nuts and bolts and rubber grommets, all of it throughout the whole car is like new. The jam is slick, the weather strips are new. It's all rock solid metal, has a durable gray and white spatter finish paint. I think it might even have a clear coat over it to make it extra durable. The rear seat dividers replaced, the trunk mat, even the latch mechanism. It's like new in the trunk. Door jambs are painted slick. The bottom of the door is clean. The latches are clean. The weather strips are replaced. That's the Deluxe interior, so it has the molded door panel, and those were replaced too. And all the hardware, the window crank, the handle, the pull strap. The whole dash area is real nice. The dash pad, the knobs, the vents, the gauges, the lenses, the heater control panel, all of it, all the way across is mint. He recently added the retro digital stereo, fits right in the factory hole, and the extra gauges so you can monitor what the motor is doing. Then you've got this screen here for the fuel injection. The console, the lens, all of it's new. Even has reproduction seat belts, a whole set of them, front and back. The seats are rebuilt, recushioned. They feel like new. Got the Houndstooth Deluxe upholstery. Got new carpet and reproduction mats down on the floor. The back seat just as new looking. All the upholstery, the side panels, the whole rear shelf. Has the correct mesh shelf with the trim is all real nice. Headliner is tight. Dome light works. Visors look new. Steering wheel, the back of the seat, even if you look up under the dash, it's just like new. So I would say the interior is living up to the exterior of this car. And I do look at a lot of cars, and when I say this one's exceptional, I mean it's one of the best ones. There's a lot of good cars. This isn't one of the good ones. This is one of the great ones right here. Now this is the 375 horsepower L78 motor, believed to be the original to the car, but can't prove it. The casting codes, the dates line up with the car perfectly. It has the big square port heads. It has the hump right here with the correct matched intake. When the motor was rebuilt, the numbers on the front where they're stamped were ground off when it was machined. You can barely read some numbers. They're very hard to read. So it is claimed to be the original motor. I can't prove it. Upgrades that he just made on the car. Here's a list of everything that he just did, and then all the receipts and stuff to back it up. He added the Holley Sniper fuel injection, all new distributor, MSD ignition system, new wires, a new coil. That's all been replaced. You might have noticed there's a little spacer here. He wanted to keep the original valve covers, but he put new roller rockers under there. He also put a little hotter cam, timing chain, water pump, harmonic balancer. That was all recently replaced. Power steering. He replaced the pump, the pulley, the hoses. The alternator's new. Voltage regulator's new. The squirters are all hooked up. You got power brake system. Has the correct radiator with the curved neck. It has a new shroud. The heater core was replaced. They took the box apart, restored it, put a new seal kit in there. Has new horns. Delco battery topper. Looks like there's a transmission cooler up front here. And there's also a vacuum pump and reservoir because he put a hotter cam in here, so the loss of vacuum is made up for with the reservoir. You can see it's got hood insulation and just everything. All the metal is smooth. It can be wiped down a little bit better, but all the metal is smooth and painted. I mean, just a nice, clean car that looks great and it performs just as well. Yeah, this is one of those keepers. This is a car that's just dialed in everywhere. I mean, from top to bottom, in and out, the way it functions, the way it looks, outstanding car. There's nothing to apologize for. You're not going to apologize for this color or for a houndstooth interior or a big block motor or rally sport. It's just got it all. It checks the boxes. It will come with this folder of documentation on the work that he's recently done. He spent thousands of dollars on the car. Good customer of ours, bought a few cars. He'll probably get something different, just ready to move on. That's my impression. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They'll help you finance it. They'll help get it delivered to your driveway at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon so you can be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.